Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever gotten stuck while using QuickBooks, whether it's a technical glitch, billing issue, or just figuring out how to reach a real person, today's video is for you. I'll walk you through exactly how to contact QuickBooks support step by step so you can get help fast. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to the official QuickBooks website. That's quickbooks.intuit.com. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, especially if you plan to start a live chat or receive a call from support. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner and sign into your QuickBooks account. Use your registered email and password. And here's a quick safety reminder: avoid saving your login credentials on shared or public devices. It's always better to stay secure. After you've signed in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. Now, look for the Help option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click Help, and you'll see a few different ways to get assistance. Choose the Assistant tab. This is your guided support tool. In the Assistant chat box, simply type, "I need to call the support team." That command triggers the system to guide you through the official QuickBooks support contact process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your contact information, usually your phone number. This helps QuickBooks authenticate your account and allows them to call you back if needed. If phone lines are busy or you'd prefer typing, you can also start chat support. Just click Get a Chat, then hit OK to join the queue. A live agent will connect with you shortly, ready to help with your issue based on availability. And that's it. That's the fastest and safest way to call or contact QuickBooks support. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone struggling to reach QuickBooks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.